In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just hit this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing section available here and use this switcher to activate it. When it's black, you can go back and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. And now, my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and then select tiny icon on the left. Over here. Then choose next in the pop-up. Then in the second one, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. Hold it and place it wherever you want to. Use this microphone to start or stop voice typing. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To check out some available options right away, click on this icon of 3 lines on the left and check out all of those like show emoji or settings where you can manage voice typing. For example, try this option called faster voice typing. Either way, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon next to 3 lines one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!